Okay, hold on, I gotta do a video. Okay. Oh. Okay. Sorry guys. I'm a little out of breath. Hold on. I'm gonna do a video real quick, okay? Okay, sorry. Just wait out there. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys. Let me catch my breath for a minute because I have asthma, and I just ran to the car because I'm so excited to show you guys what I just got. I'm sure you can see the bag and you can see that it's a Apple product, so I think you know where this is going, guys. So I got, hold on, I still can't breathe. I got the new iPhone, the iPhone 12, and I was gonna go home and wait until I had ideal lighting and everything like that to make a good unboxing video, but I just couldn't wait. I got too excited and I ended up leaving my girlfriend behind and running to the car. That's how excited I was. So I think that gives you an idea of how excited I am about this phone. Okay, so it's the iPhone 12, as you know, and it's just the regular model. It's not the Pro or the Pro Max or the Mini or anything like that. So here we are. I'm so excited. I can't wait to, my asthma is acting up a little bit, so it's kind of making it hard to talk, but there it is. Wow. Wow. I got the there's the cable, and now the iPhones aren't coming with the charging block anymore, so it just comes with the cable and that's it. But that's fine, that's okay with me. So here's the phone, here's the front of it. Looks very nice. I'm gonna leave that closed for now though, because sorry, hold on. So that's the back, and yeah, I'm really excited to get it turned on and ready to go. So maybe I'll make another review about it when I get it all running, but for now that's all for me. So thanks for watching, folks. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.